Welcome to a behind-the-scenes look at the captivating world of BMW production. In this exciting 11-minute video, we'll take you on an extraordinary journey through the meticulous process of creating one of the most iconic luxury cars in the world, the BMW. The first stop on our tour is the press shop, where massive coils of high-quality steel are expertly shaped using hydraulic presses. Witness the raw power of these machines as they transform steel sheets into the various body panels that form the foundation of the BMW 5 Series. As we move to the body shop, you'll see an extraordinary collaboration between robots and skilled craftsmen. Watch in awe as the car's unibody frame is assembled through spot welding, a process that joins thousands of parts into a single, solid structure. This ensures not only incredible rigidity, but also optimizes the car's performance and safety. Prepare to be amazed as we step into the paint shop, a symphony of colors and precision. Witness the multi-stage process, starting with thorough cleaning and preparation, followed by primer, base color, and finally, a clear coat for that dazzling finish. The array of available colors will leave you spoiled for choice. Now, let's dive into the heart of the production, the assembly line. This is where the true magic happens, as all the carefully crafted components come together to create the complete BMW. In the chassis assembly, the car's soul takes shape. Experience the integration of the powertrain, suspension, and braking systems, ensuring a ride that's both exhilarating and comfortable. Each component is meticulously inspected to uphold BMW's unwavering standards. As the production nears completion, every BMW undergoes rigorous testing and quality checks in the final touches stage. Performance evaluations ensure the car's precision, and any imperfections are addressed to meet the highest standards of perfection. With the inspection complete, the BMW enters the logistics phase. Experience the excitement as the cars are carefully prepared for shipping, bound for destinations all around the globe. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey through the production of the BMW. From raw materials to a symbol of sheer driving pleasure, this video showcases the passion and dedication behind every BMW. Drive safely, and may the roads be ever thrilling. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting automotive content. Until next time, happy journey.